Guys, can you guys recall this? Opo, they are the cast from yung childhood na cartoon na hinahangaan ko dati, yung Yaiba, The Samurai Legend. Kung naalala nyo, we were very young nung pinalabas to, and right now Netflix is giving out this HD version of the Yaiba series, and it is being shown on Netflix every weekends. And parang anong tawag ito, parang naibabalik yung childhood days ko. Pero ito yung magandang trivia sa video na to. I just realized in some episodes of Yaiba, yung mga cast nila, no, yung mga cast nila ay may mga cellphone. At saka ngayon din naman pinapakita nung kontra nilang yung spider na meron silang drone. So I mean, like, this is a childhood cartoon. No, way back, ano pa to? 2001, 2002. Parang ganoon pa yung date. But, meron na silang cellphone, meron na silang drone. Imagine that. No? So, I don't know kung, ano ba to? Is it coincidence na alam na nila yung terms na ganun? Or talaga bang outdated lang ako? Or talaga bang advanced lang talaga yung Japan? Pretty amazing. Comment below kung ano sa tingin nyo.